Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to use Google Trends for product research. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Trends and this is how the homepage looks like. Right here in the top, you're gonna find Home, Explore and Trending Now. And here, if you scroll down, we're gonna find Made with Trends. See how Google Trends is being used across the world by newsrooms, charities, and more. Right here, you're gonna find Get Started with Trends. New to Trends, browse these resources to learn what it can do and how to use it. As you can see, guys, there is 4 resources. What is Google Trends? Basics of Google Trends, understanding the data, and advanced Google Trend. If you go to the Explore section, from here you can search for any topic or product if you want to search for a product. So, for example, I'm going to type iPhone 15. And if you want to compare it, you can compare it from here. From here, you can select which country that you want to see the stats for. For example, I'm going to select worldwide. From here, you can select the time, past 12 months, past hour, past 30 days. I'm going to keep it past 12 months. From here, you can search for the category that you want. And right here, you can select the web search or image search, news search or Google shopping or YouTube search. I'm going to keep it web search. And from here, you're going to find the timeline. And if you scroll down right here, you're going to find the interest by region. And here in this map, you can hover your mouse over any country to see the search interest in every country. And from here, you're going to find the list of all the countries that are interested in this topic. As you can see, guys, the first one is United Arab Emirates. And if you scroll down right here, you're going to find some related topics. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.